In the mixed rural and suburban area around Blacksburg, Virginia, there are multiple operators flying drones and using UAS service suppliers, or USSs, and a new UTM industry standard to share their operational intent. They include inspection, agriculture, media, recreation, and search and rescue operations, some of which are beyond visual line of sight. All operators have begun flight operations, deconflicting as needed, when a general aviation aircraft flies low over the area. A Surveillance Supplemental Data Service Provider, or SDSP, notifies some of the drone operators to avoid the intruding airplane, while other drones stay out of the way using traditional see and avoid.
911, what's your emergency?
At midday along the New River, adjacent to the drone operating area, a frantic mother places an emergency call to local authorities because her young daughter Lily is struggling to stay afloat after playfully splashing into the water with her dog Bo and venturing too far. Bo is doing what he can to assist Lily, but the duo needs help. As Blacksburg's Public Safety Authority launches a search and rescue drone to save Lily and Bo, they submit an airspace constraint to prevent the other flights from disrupting their mission. The drone operators nearby receive notifications of the constraint and take appropriate action to address any conflict. Most have no issue, except for a hobbyist pilot named Charlie, whose drone has a mechanical failure and leaves its intended area, going into a contingent state. The other operators are subsequently notified of Charlie's contingent drone and replan accordingly and without further incident. The good news is that in no time, Lily and Bo are successfully retrieved from New River. Although Bo is only a bit spun up, Lily needs immediate medical care. The closest hospital is in a busy area and short of some key medical supplies. Luckily, another hospital located in a less busy operating area has the supplies and plans a delivery by drone to Lily's hospital. Time is of the essence, so the medical delivery flight is planned as a priority operation. The intent of the medical drone is shared with nearby UAS service suppliers, or USSs, and the other operators in the area are notified of the medical mission. They determine if their flights are in conflict with the medical drone and adjust their flight paths as appropriate. The busy hospital receives the supplies, and Lily gets the care she needs. Later in the day, a crowd starts to gather for a highly anticipated outdoor bluegrass concert. A local authority submits an advisory to alert drone operators about the open-air assembly of people. As a result, the media operator alters their flight plan to avoid flying over people, and the crowd is able to safely kick back